Hey guys, Nicole here. Today I'm working on a few projects around my own home. As we get closer to spring, I'm really starting to look around and kind of see things that I'd like to update or refresh without having to spend money on a new item. Especially since we're in quarantine, I'm not like out doing any shopping right now, so it's kind of a good time to look around, see if you have items on hand that you can kind of give some new life to, especially as spring comes. It gives you a good chance to do some cleaning too. So come with me while I show you a few projects that I'm working on. So moving into our bedroom, I was just cleaning up this room. One thing I just made was that old hoop with the flowers on it, and I really like how that turned out. I'm trying to get a little closer for you so you can see all the flower detail. All the florals are from Hobby Lobby on there, and I got that in an estate sale. It's just a really big antique hoop, which I love. My husband built this headboard, and so I just think that came out really well. So when I was just cleaning up this room, I was looking around like, what do I not love right now in this room? What would I like to repurpose? And so the things that I decided that I'd like to upgrade is this vase from IKEA. It's nothing special, but it's a vase, and why would I get rid of a vase just because I'm tired of it? So what I think I'm going to do is spray paint it white and then maybe do some like wraparound rope detail, or maybe a burlap, or maybe I'll put a black number on it. I don't know. I have a few ideas, but I think once I see it painted white, I'll have a better idea. And also I have these IKEA lamps. We got them when we were first married and super broke, but there's nothing wrong with them. There's no reason for me to like go buy new lamps. So I think I'm going to actually spray paint the base of each lamp black. And I think that might kind of update it a little bit and help it to match like the black hardware I have going on in the rest of the room. So those are two easy projects I'm going to do that I think will make a little bit of a difference and just kind of freshen up the space. I was just about to bring this vase back to my bedroom, and then I had the crazy idea to distress it. So I tried just like this little section here, and I think I like how it looks. So I think I'm going to add a few more distressed parts just kind of around the whole thing. And if I end up not liking it after a few days, I can always just take it back out to the garage and do another coat of spray paint. But I think I'm going to go with that. It gives it a little bit more of like a vintagey feel. So I think that's pretty cool. I am also thinking I'm going to paint this window that I've had for a long time white to match my new shelves here. I think it'll just keep the space kind of nice and bright. And you know, why not start another project even though you have several other projects to finish? You know, why not? My biggest tip with painting anything with white chalk paint is do not let the first coat scare you, because it's going to look really, really terrible. Let me show you. Here's the window I had hanging next to my shelves, and this is just one coat. I know the lighting's kind of off, but you can see, I mean, it just looks really terrible. And so my plan for this is to paint everything white, and I'm going to paint the window panes themselves, actually a color called linen. And everything I'm using today is General Finishes paint, I believe, besides the spray paint. So the white that I'm using is General Finishes Alabaster Milk Paint. So Alabaster is one shade off from their bright white. They have a bright white, they have an Alabaster, and then an antique white. And I think I'm forgetting one, but there's another white too. And then there's a color called Linen, which I really like. It's just kind of like a cream, and it's probably about 4 shades darker than this. So I think it'll be enough of a color difference that it will look different, but it'll still look light and airy like I'm going for springtime right now. So I'll show you what it's going to look like when I have both of those colors finished. And it's probably going to take about 3 coats of the white and maybe 1 more coat of the linen is my estimate. So I'll let you know. I'm really liking how the window turned out. It's kind of got like a good like French country cottage feel to it with the cream and the white. As you can see, I just lightly distressed the edges with a fine sandpaper. And then the linen color in the panes was looking a little just plain. So I rubbed it actually with some white chalk to give it some texture and to kind of complement the white frame. And I just think that made it look really nice and have a little bit more character. So that's one project done, and I really think it's a nice improvement. These are a cool find from Hobby Lobby, and this is March of 2020, so they're in the spring section this year. And so it's kind of hard to tell, but these are wood cutout words, and they have them attached to just cardboard so that they stay together. But the idea is that you would take them home and just hang them up on your wall. I hope this video inspired you to do some repurposing of your own around your house. If you have any questions or need some advice or tips, please comment in the comment section below, and I would love to try to help you. I really appreciate you watching today. Stay healthy. Bye, guys.